you can hear the noise of my car. I'm back in my car because I got so cold, but I still cannot have enough of those lovey-dovey horses. And the noise you hear, my friends, are the heater. Welcome to Canada. You drive your car not with air conditioning, but with a nice little heater. Lovely. Yes, this is the nice cold. And obviously I'm shaking a little bit, find a way to video it from my car, because I'm too cold to keep standing outside. And they are so beautiful. Oh, I love those guys. What a beautiful time I have with them. But time to go, because too many cars passing by, and somebody will decide to give me a push, and there's not gonna be a owner with his YouTube video. So hopefully you like it, come back and enjoy it. Nice, huh? They are lovely. Opa!